Well, hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to practice the classroom diagnostics tool, also known as the CDT. And I'm going to show you how we're going to take the practice test in math. So I'm going to click on this little guy here that says Online Tools Training. I'm going to click on that. We're practicing the CDT. So let's click that. And we're going to practice mathematics. Now, when you take, and we're also going to do math grades 6 through 8 because, that's the grade that we're in. So click on that. It moved my face. On the actual test, you'll have your own username and password, but in this practice one, it's giving me a fake one and a fake password. So we're going to type that in. Sign in. On the actual test, it'll give you all this information about, the name of the test and what the school name is and your ID and information. And if everything is good, then good. And if it's not, then you contact me. But everything should be good, so we'll click continue. We are doing math, so we are going to click on math to do that. And then this is basically just giving us all the information. Read the questions, do everything you're supposed to do, good stuff. When you have time, we'll actually read through the whole thing, but not right now. I really can't move my face. All right, so let's look at some of the things that you can use to practice here. In this problem, it's asking us how big this library card is, and it's asking us to go by 1/16 of an inch. Well, how am I supposed to know? Unless I go up here and use a measurement tool. I'm going to use the inches ruler, and there I have the inches ruler. I'm going to click on my inches ruler and drag where I need to drag it to so I know how long it is. So right there, I'm at the end, and it looks like it's just a little bit below 3.5 inches. So I'm going to choose 3 5/16. I go to my letter, the little pencil will pop up, I'll click on it. If I decided that was a bad idea, then I can just click on any other one, but I feel very confident that the answer is A. So I'm going to click on A, and I'm going to move on to the next one. Now it's going to warn me, once you move on to the next one, you can't go back. So don't show me this message again. I'm confident in myself. I'm going to go on to the next question. Now it's asking me for the angle. So I need another measurement tool. I'll click on the measurement tool up here, and up comes the protractor. So I'm going to take that protractor and center it where I need it to be, right there on the corner. We're looking at, let me see, that line goes through like right there. So it looks like 30-something, 37 seems to be my answer. I'm going to click on 37 and go on to the next one. The picture below shows a drawing Erin made of a building she saw in her textbook. So we got ourselves a triangle next to what looks like a parallelogram, and we're supposed to practice hint 1, use the formula sheet. Well, where's the formula sheet? Not you, not you, not you, sticky note, not you, line guide, not you, references, is it references? Yeah, formula sheet's reference. So from here, I can find whatever I need. So there's the parallelogram, which is base times height. The triangle's up here too, which is half of base times height. So I'm going to move my face and click out of that when I'm done. Let me see. So if the triangle is half of base times height, what does the highlighter do? Use highlighter. No, that didn't do it. If I'm going to use half of base times height, I'm going to use the basic calculator, scooch it over here. That's the height of my triangle. So, and there's the base. So half of base times height is going to be half, which is 0.5 times. The base is 85 times height, which is times 80 equals. So I get 3. No way. It won't let me draw it out. Well, let me sticky note. New sticky note. All right. So I'm going to type here that for the triangle, I got 3,400s, just so I don't forget. And then the parallelogram, according to the reference sheet, said that it was base times height. So again, just to make sure, I'm going to click on that. The parallelogram is the base times the height. So let me click out of the parallelogram. The parallelogram, its base is 40, its height is 20. So 40 times 20 equals 800. 40 times 20, 20 equals 800, like I said. So for the one I got that, now I need to add 800. This is me just taking, notes. I'm going to add that 3400, and I should get 4200. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to get rid of all of you. All right, so I'm just going to click random answers for the next couple just to see. So rando. Oh, that's it. Okay, so once I hit exit, I guess I'm done. Cool. Easy. Well, I hope you didn't hear my kids screaming in the background too much, because they're screaming in the background, but that's how we're going to do this. Bye.